What if I told you that you could make your home look like a luxury designer showroom for less than the cost of one piece of furniture from West Elm? Today, I'm transforming my entire apartment with 7 budget decor pieces that look insanely expensive. I'm talking about items you'd see in Architectural Digest homes, but for a fraction of the price. Stick around because by the end of this video, you won't believe this is the same space. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Jessie, and on this channel, we talk about affordable ways to make your home look expensive without breaking the bank. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cheap decor always looks cheap, right? Wrong. The key is knowing where to look and what to buy. This is my living room and bedroom area. It's fine, but it's missing personality. It looks like I just moved in. Everything feels flat, uninspired, and honestly, a little sad. So today, I'm going to show you 7 specific items that I found that completely change my space. I'll show you each product, how to style it in different ways, the exact price point, and where you can get them. And here's the best part. I'm going to show you how each item compares to expensive versions you'd find in high-end stores. Because once you see the difference, or lack thereof, you'll never overpay for home decor again. All right, let's start the transformation. First up, this modern family sculpture. When I first saw this, I literally thought it was from Crate and Barrel. This is called the Simple Family Statue Modern Style Hollow Sculpture. It's this beautiful minimalist design with clean lines, super Nordic, super chic. Now here's the crazy part. This exact style sculpture, I've seen it at boutique home stores for anywhere from $80 to $150. Sometimes even $200 if it's designer. This one, $24.24. I'll say that again, $24. Let me show you how I styled this. First location, my entry console table. Instantly, this space has a focal point. It looks intentional. It looks curated. Second way to style it, on a bookshelf. This breaks up all the books and adds visual interest. It's that shelfy aesthetic everyone wants. And third, coffee table centerpiece. Layer it on books for that elevated look you see on Pinterest. So where can you get this? I found mine on DHgate. I'll link the exact product in the description box below. Shipping took about 2 to 3 weeks, but totally worth the wait. All right, one piece down. Room already looks better. Let's keep going. Next up is this ceramic coral vase. And guys, this is the piece that everyone asks about when they come to my apartment. Look at this texture. It's got this organic sculptural quality that looks like it came straight from West Elm or CB2. I pulled up West Elm's website, and similar textured white vases are running anywhere from $60 to $120. Zara Home has some for around $80. This one cost me $33.09. And honestly, I can't tell the difference. First way to style this, coffee table with pampas grass or dried flowers. This combo is chef's kiss. It's that minimal, earthy vibe that's everywhere on Instagram right now. Second option, use it as a sculptural piece without anything in it. Sometimes less is more. The vase itself is art. And third, dining table centerpiece with fresh eucalyptus. Instant dinner party vibes. Quality-wise, it's ceramic. It's got a good weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I'm really impressed. Again, found this on DHgate. Product name is Ceramic Coral Nordic Minimalist White Vase. Link is in the description. Okay, this next one is a game changer for coffee table styling. This gold leaf serving tray. The gold finish is gorgeous. It's not too shiny, not too matte. It's that perfect luxe finish. Gold trays like this at Anthropologie, $40 to $70. Even Target's Project, 62 line has them for around $30 to $40. This one was $14.96. Under 15 bucks. Let me show you the magic of a good tray. Before, random stuff scattered on my coffee table. After, everything corralled on this gold tray. Same items, just organized, looks 1,000 times better. Second way, perfume tray on your dresser or vanity. This makes your dresser look like a luxury hotel. Third, entry table catch-all for keys and sunglasses, functional and beautiful. Pro tip, trays make any space look more intentional. It's the easiest styling trick in the book. This is the Nordic gold leaf serving tray. Found it on DHgate. Link below. All right, we're halfway through, and now we're getting into lighting. This mushroom LED lamp has been everywhere on TikTok and Pinterest, and for good reason. Look at this ambient lighting. It's so cozy. Now, designer mushroom lamps, like the ones from Space Copenhagen or the viral acrylic ones, can cost anywhere from $80 to literally $300. This one? $27.15. And it has 9-level dimming, which means you can adjust the brightness. See? You just touch the base and it cycles through brightness levels, from super soft to bright enough to read by. I use this as my bedside lamp. Perfect for reading before bed or just creating ambiance. Also works great on a desk or workspace. Watch this transformation. Lighting changes everything in a room. This creates such a warm, inviting atmosphere. It's called the Mushroom LED Table Lamp with 9-level dimming. DHgate. Link in description. This next piece is so unique. It's a table lamp that also functions as a vase. Multifunctional decor always feels more premium. You've got this modern LED lamp base, and the top is a glass vase where you can put flowers or leave empty. I've seen designer versions of multifunction lamps like this at boutique lighting stores for $100 to $180. They market them as designer studio pieces. This was $41.80, which is definitely the pricier item on this list, but still less than half the cost of the expensive versions. Here's how I styled it on my nightstand. Added some fresh tulips in the vase portion. It's functional lighting, plus a fresh flower display. 2-in-1. You can also style it without flowers, just as a sculptural lamp, or use dried stems or pampas for a low-maintenance option. The light is bright enough for task lighting, and the glass is thick and sturdy. It feels expensive. This is the modern LED table lamp with glass vase on DHgate. Link in the description box below. Now let's talk about wall decor, because blank walls make a space feel unfinished and cheap. This is a hanging glass ball vase. It's like a terrarium, but way more versatile. Urban Outfitters sells hanging glass planters for $35 to $50. West Elm has terrariums starting at $40. This one cost me $20.75 for the glass vase with the hanging hardware included. Here's my blank wall. Boring, right? Now watch this, instant focal point. The wall now looks professionally styled. You can use these with fresh flowers, air plants, succulents, or even leave them empty for a minimal look. I did a cluster of 3 at different heights. Very Pinterest. Product name is Hanging Glass Ball Vase Terrarium Wall Decor. Found on DHgate, linked below. Last but not least, custom wall art. This is a personalized map poster, and it's one of my favorite pieces because it's meaningful and beautiful. You can customize it with any location, where you were born, where you met your partner, your favorite city, wherever. Custom map prints on Etsy run anywhere from $60 to $150, depending on size and framing. This one from Mapiful was $44.99, and the customization process was super easy. You just go to their website, enter your location, choose your style. I went with the minimalist black and white, and they create it custom for you. I framed mine in a simple black frame from IKEA for $15. And now my bedroom has a personalized art piece that looks like I bought it from a gallery. This also makes an amazing gift, by the way. Housewarming, anniversary, birthday. This is from mapiful.com. I'll link it in the description. Okay, so let's see the final transformation. Remember what this room looked like at the beginning of this video? And now, this. Let's do the math. Here's what I spent. Total spent. $206.98. That's it. If I had bought comparable items from high-end stores, I would have easily spent over $1,000. Maybe $1,500. That's $1,300 saved for the same look. Here's the thing. Expensive doesn't always mean better. You just have to know where to look and be patient with shipping times. All of these items took 2 to 4 weeks to arrive, which is totally normal for affordable home decor. But the wait was worth it. My apartment genuinely feels different now. It feels like me. It feels put together and intentional, and I didn't have to drain my savings to do it. All right, that's it for today's transformation. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. All the links to these products are in the description box below. I organized them in order, so it should be easy to find what you're looking for. If you want more affordable home decor videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. And let me know in the comments, which item was your favorite? Are you going to try any of these? Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!